How to fix Play Store waiting for download. You might have noticed that when you are trying to install an app from the Google Play Store, sometimes it just gets stuck on waiting for download for a very long time. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys a couple of steps that you can try to resolve your issue. The first thing you can do to resolve this issue, and what's recommended by Google as well, is that you go into your settings, then app, and under manage apps, look for Google Play. So I will be able to see Google Play services as well as the Google Play Store, and I'm going to select Play Store and look for an option called Clear Data. Once I do that, I can go back to the Play Store and try to install the app. So let's say I want to install Twitter app. I'm going to click on install, and it still shows the waiting for download. However, the process is going to kick off in a few seconds. Yep. And there we go. I will be able to download the app very soon. And yep, it was installed in less than 30 seconds. Second thing you can try out is in your Play Store settings, look for the app download preference. And in case you are on over Wi-Fi only and you're using data services, you might just be getting stuck because you're not connected to any Wi-Fi network. In that case, you might select the over any network option, or the second thing is you can try to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and that will resolve your issue. Sometimes the issue happens because you do not have enough storage available on your device. So you can actually check that by going into your About Phone option, and then under All Specifications, you should be able to see how much internal storage you have available. So in my case, I still have 27 gigabytes, and for that reason, the internal memories on my device would not be an issue. In case these steps mentioned before have not worked, you can actually download the apps without Play Store by just searching for the APK. So let's say I want to download Facebook app, and I'll search for Facebook APK on Google, and that will lead me to result from Google Play, but we're not going to use that, and I'm going to look for another source from where I can download. So let's go with APK Mirror. And I'm gonna just select the download option here and be able to download the APK from apkmirror.com. Make sure that if you're downloading APK from an external third-party website, it's a reliable source, and maybe you have an antivirus installed on your Android phone as well. The last tip that I actually read on some forums was that you might need to try with the battery saver option disabled on your phone, and that might actually resolve your problem with Play Store. So you can try that out as well, and let me know if that works for you. So try turning it on, try turning it off, and see if that resolves your issue or not. If you have any other suggestions as to how you resolved waiting for download issue on the Play Store, let me know through comments. I hope you guys find this video very useful. Thank you. Bye.